Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I hope you all are enjoying maths period. Okay, children. Now I am going to show you some pictures. What pictures you all can see on the screen? Yes. Here we can see pictures of umbrellas. Now children, if you see to your left hand side, there is only one umbrella, and to your right hand side we can see more than one umbrella. Means we can see many umbrellas. So one umbrella, many umbrellas. What is picture? Is it your favorite, children? Yes. Here we can see pictures of ice creams, and we can see to your left hand side only one ice cream cup, and to your right hand side we can see many ice creams. Look at this picture, children. Yes, here we can see some pictures of fruits. Now, if you see to your left side, you can see a picture of a mango. We can see here only one mango. And to your right hand side, we can see more than one fruit. So, there are many fruits. So children, today we are going to learn one many. Now look at this picture. What picture is this? Yes, here we can see rabbits. To your left hand side, we can see one rabbit, and to your right hand side we can see more than one rabbit, means many rabbits. One rabbit, many rabbits. Here, what is this, children? We use it for coloring. Yes, it is a picture of a brush. To your left hand side, we can see only one brush, and to your right hand side, we can see many brushes. So, one brush, many brushes. Look at the children. Yes, here in this picture, we can see to your left hand side only one fish, and the right hand side many fishes. Yes, now look at this picture. What we can see here? We can see two pictures of trees. And children, look at your left hand side picture. Can you see how many birds are sitting on that tree? Yes, we can see only one bird is sitting on the tree. And to your right hand side, we can see more than one bird, means many birds are sitting on the tree. So children, say one bird, many birds. Yes. Do you all like to wear hats? Very good. Here also, to your left hand side, we can see only one picture of a hat, and the right hand side we can see many hats. So children, say one hat, many hats. Now here we can see some pictures of boys. Now children, again to your left hand side, we can see only one boy, and to your right hand side we can see many boys. So you will say one boy, many boys. What picture is this, children? Yes, these are crayon colors. So here also we can see one color and many colors. Look at the next picture. Do you all like to eat candies? Yes. Now children, here again to your left hand side we can see only one picture of a candy, and to your right hand side we can see more than one picture of candy. Means here we can see many candies. So you will say one candy, many candies. Now do you write with this? Yes. Here we can see pencils, and we can see one pencil, many pencils. So you all will repeat after me. Say one pencil, many pencils. Here we all like to play with it. Yes, here on the screen we can see pictures of balls. Now I hope you all must have understood one and many. Yes, to your left hand side we can see only one ball, and to your right hand side we can see many balls. So say one ball, many balls. What is picture, children? Yes, here we can see honeybees. So to your left hand side there is only one bee, and to your right hand side we can see many bees. So one honeybee, many honeybees. Now children, your favorite toy car you can see here. So say one car, many cars. One car, many cars. Here children, what you all can see? Yes, we can see two flowers, and to your left hand side we can see only one flower, and to your right hand side we can see many flowers. Now here, yes, what we can see? These are the pictures of balloons. Say one balloon, many balloons. One balloon, many balloons. What picture is this, children? Yes, we can see here cats. Say one cat, many cats. Say one cup, many cups. One cup, many cups. Here we can see beautiful pictures of butterflies. And to your left hand side you can see only one butterfly. And to your right hand side you can see many butterflies. Say one butterfly, many butterflies. Look at this picture, children. Yes, here to your left hand side we can see only one flower, and the right hand side we can see many flowers. So say one flower, many flowers. Now here we can see pictures of ducks, and the left hand side there is only one duck, and the right hand side there are many ducks. I hope children you all must be understanding one and many. Now we are going to do an activity. Now children, here you have to identify one or many. You are going to write the correct answer. Now, what picture is this, children? Yes, it is a picture of a leaf. And can you tell me, is it one or many? Yes, you all are very clever. Here we can see one leaf. Am I correct, children? Very good. Now see the next picture. What you all can see here? Yes, here we can see two dogs. So what should we write here? One or many? We should write here many, because they are more than one. Look at this picture. Is it one or many? Yes, now you all can know the answer. Here we can see only one cup. Correct, children? Very good. Now see the next picture. Now children, what pictures we can see here? Yes, here we can see pictures of kites. Now can you tell me, is it one or many? Is it one or many? Yes, here we can see many kites. Very good, children. See the next picture. What is it? Yes, it is a picture of a top. And how many we can see here? Many or one? Yes, we can see only one picture. See this here? We can see pictures of ice cream cups. And now you have to write one or many. So children, the answer is many. We can see here many ice cream cups. See the next picture. Here we can see more than one means many frogs. So here we will write many. Okay, children, are you understanding? Now here we can see a beautiful butterfly. And is it one or many? Yes, it is only one. Now, have you seen this in your house? Yes, these are the pictures of spoons. And here, yes, I know, the answer is many. Now what is this, children? Your favorite lollipop. And here is only one. So write 1. Okay, children. Now what is this? Yes, it is a phone. And how many pictures we can see? We can see only one picture. What pictures we can see on the screen, children? Yes, these are the pictures of candles. And here we can see more than one. Means we will write here many. Now it is a picture of a clock. And you all know this is only one picture. I hope, children, you all must be enjoying. Thank you, children.